Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you two methods to create a new layer in GIMP. So first method is really simple. We need to click on icon with a layer and a plus. It will let you to create a new layer and add it to the image, so I click it. And then we need to type here layer name. For example, I will type here layer number 1. We need to set here a color tag, so I will click on yellow. We can change mode if we want. We can adjust opacity, change width and height. And there is one really important option, fill width, and on default it is set to transparency, but we can change it to white foreground color or background color. Everything depends on your preferences, but I will set here transparency how it is on default. And then if we want to create a new layer, we need to click OK button, and how you see layer number 1 has been successfully created here. So now let's check the second method. First we need to click right mouse button somewhere here, and then we need to go to new layer. Of course you can use shortcut from your keyboard Shift Ctrl N. So I go here, and then again we need to type here layer name. For example, I will type here layer number 3. Then I set a color tag, I change mode, I adjust opacity and change other settings like before. After that I click OK button, and how you see layer number 3 has been successfully created here. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and if you want you can always buy me coffee from link in description.